Miss Nuki, no, maraming nagdalamhati ngayon ang industriya sa pagkawala ko ni Mother Lily. What is your, ano ang saloobin ngayon? Ano ang nararamdaman natin?
Ay nako, honestly, I am floating para akong wala sa sarili ko. I'm trying to be okay, but I'm not okay. Because I have lost my parents all over again. Kamakailan lang na mahinga si Father Remy Monteverde. Tapos 2 days after or maybe a day after lang, yung nanay ko naman ang nawala. Nag-start ako sa Regal Films nung 14 ako. Natapos ang kontrata namin when I was 26. So you can just imagine na...
Oh my gosh, 12 years.
Half of my teenage years were spent with Mother Lily Monteverde and Father and the whole Monteverde family. So I know that they would not mind if I say that yung pagluluksa ng aking mga adopted brothers and sisters, namely si Meme, si Rosel, si Dondon, si Winnie, si Goldwyn, ganun din yung pagluluksa ako, ganun din yung depth ng pain sa akin talaga. I'm just trying to be okay, but really I am not okay. I'm floating talaga. Para talaga akong nawala na naman ako ng parents talaga all over again. I never expected kasi for this to happen.
Ano po yung mga fondest memories mo kay Mother? Alam mo?
Too many to mention but siguro one that is striking talaga is yung nung time na I went into a deep depression, tapos nagloka-lokahan ako at that time because I just had a bad breakup with Albert Martinez at the time. Tapos 1 year ako nagkulong. And then itong si Mother talagang almost every day, no exaggeration, nasa labas siya ng sala, sa room ko, labas ng room ko. Nasa sala area namin siya. Minsan natutulog na si Mother doon just for me to snap out of my depression.
Okay.
For 1 year yun, magdadala siya ng food. Sila ni Tita Inday Badida, hindi ko makakalimutan yon. Tapos she would offer me to go to the States, to go to Hong Kong, just to get me out of that doldrum. And I'm so thankful up to this moment and forever na si Mother ang nasangkapan ng Panginoon para ako mag-survive ng mga time na yun na hindi ko akalain na masusurvive ko. Kasi diba when you're young and you're in love, first heartache mo, first breakup mo, feeling mo parang yun na yung katapusan ng mundo mo. Pero si Mother din yung tumayong second mom ko talaga na, fight, you can do this, let's pray. She has always been like my mom, a second mother to me.
Ano po yung mga advice na hindi nyo makakalimutan binigyan niya sa inyo na na-apply niyo sa buhay niyo, nakatulong na malaki sa inyo?
Yung advice ni Mother, si Mother with all her, yung kalok-kalokahan din ni Mother na masayahin siya, kalog-kalog. Meron siyang very serious side. At ang tinuro sa akin ni Mother, una sa lahat, pinagagalitan niya ako nung bata ako na when I was being, I'm sorry to say, but when I was being a bit unprofessional, yun talaga tinuro sa akin ni Mother na mahalin mo ang trabaho mo, maging professional ka sa ginagawa mo, and it will love you back. Pangalawa, yung si Mother, she has also been instrumental in molding me as a better spirit, as a better Christian. Kasi nung araw sa Regal Films, meron kami nung Regal community, charismatic community. And she founded that. Hindi alam to ng maraming tao, pero nagkaroon kami ng Regal charismatic community. So, ang dami. Talagang siya, typical na nanay sa aming lahat. Hindi lang naman sa akin, kay Inay, of course, kilala natin kung sino yan, si Maricel Soriano, kay Dina, kay Aiko, kay Janice, kay Nadia, kay Gretchen. Ay, nako, and the list goes on and on. Ang dami niyang naging anak-anakan.
Ano po yung wini-wish niyo for the showbiz community now that, of course, an icon is gone, Mother is gone?
Naiyak naman ako sa tanong mo. Nag-trigger ako doon. Ako, I feel, ang advice ko is, sana yung legacy ni Mother, ipagpatuloy naman nating lahat. And let's not forget the contribution that Mother Lily made in the industry. She's a big loss talaga. Hindi na natin mababalik yung glory days ng Regal Films. Para sa akin, maybe I'm being biased, pero nag-iisa lang siya. So, siguro the least that we can do nga lang is to try to live up to that that flair, that Regal magic that is unexplainable. Yung para bang the stars are stars, the movies are magnum opuses, at si Mother talaga isa sa mga nagmamahal talaga at concerned sa kung ano mangyayari sa industriya, in my opinion. Hindi naman siya, contrary maybe to what some people think, sa aking personal experience, hindi kami pera-pera lang. Yung relationship namin went beyond that, na ako trabahador niya, siya yung producer ko. Kahit ng mga times na sabihin pa natin nag-lay low yung career ko, nawala ako, nag-asawa ako, at I went through some dark times in my life, hindi nagbago yung pagtingin sa akin ni Mother. And siguro yun yung magandang ma-emulate ng mga bagong producers natin. That, yung wag mawawala yung puso ba, na at the end of it all, hindi tayo dito sa industriya para lang sa pera, kundi nandito tayo above all else to love each other, to help one another up, to lift one another up, and to do the best we can to make this industry survive. Si Mother kasi, di ba, hindi naman tumigil mag-produce. Nandiyan pa rin si Rosel, nandiyan si Dondon, nandiyan mga iba pang mga pinagkakatiwalaan ni Mother Lily, na para itong industriya natin, alam naman natin kasi it could be a dying industry, but thanks to Regal, it's still afloat. Sana magpatuloy pa rin yun. Let's not give this up kasi napakasayang. Mahalin natin ang industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino.